Let's make basturma. Trimmed up eye of round. Take a dish and sprinkle salt all on the bottom. Take your eye of round, put it in, cover it with salt. Poke holes in it, put it in the fridge for 2 days. After 2 days, drain off the liquid, rinse off the salt, and let it soak in cold water for 1 to 3 hours. Dry it off with paper towels, wrap it in paper towels, put it on a sheet tray with another sheet tray on top with weights on it. In the fridge for another day. Unwrap the paper towel, it should be kind of flat. Using a skewer and butcher's twine, poke a hole through the top and pull the butcher's twine through. Hang it in a cool, dry place for 5 to 10 days or in a refrigerator for 8 to 14 days until it's nice and firm. Food processor, 6 cloves garlic, ½ cup water, puree, ½ cup fenugreek, ½ cup paprika, tablespoon allspice, 2 teaspoons cumin, tablespoon black pepper, teaspoon salt, teaspoon cayenne. Add water until it's pancake batter consistency, about 1 cup. Take your dried meat and spread a thin layer of the chemen on top, just like that. Hang it back in the refrigerator for 3 to 5 days until it's nice and dry. There it is, basturma. Slice it thin with a knife or use a deli slicer. Nice thin slices. Oh! Favorite deli meat of all time. Yes, and it's not that hard.